Hello guys, welcome everyone. Welcome. Hope everyone's doing good. All right, guys. Hope everyone's doing good. This is crypto analysis channel by Dragon Boot 30. As usual, we'll try to see Bitcoin, Ethereum maybe, all right, and gold as well. All right, guys. Okay. So hope everyone is doing good. All right, guys. Welcome everyone. Welcome. So what's the plan? What's happening around, right, guys? Okay. Welcome guys. Welcome everyone. Hi. Hello. Okay. So far, okay, let me test the mic. All right, it's good right now. All right, okay. So those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, guys, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions. Right, guys? Okay. So we have been last time like on my VIP group. Okay, so yesterday also I told you all, I have informed you that we are going up, right? So that can be an up move, and from the top that is a good shot on downside. We had a huge profit on downside on VIP group. All right, so that is almost 3% on the downside. All right, still we are holding on the downside, right? Looking for the downside right now. Nothing financial advice. Make your own research before you move in, right, guys? Hope everyone is doing good. Welcome, guys. Welcome. All right. Okay, let's get back to the plans, right? Okay, so which exchange do you want to see? OKX? OKX better? So this is the thing that we have been holding on the downside right now, uh, currently. Okay, guys. So without wasting time, we'll try to go inside the trade, right, guys? Maybe scalping, small scalping for you all. All right, that can be so according to the along with the scalping, we'll be trying to check on a long time frame trade as well. All right, guys. Okay. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget. Oh, sorry, guys. First time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, guys, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions. All right. Okay. So, just a second. So, what do you think, guys? Is the Bitcoin going up? Have you planning on upper side, or like if you're doing on a downside right now? What's your plans, guys? Okay, what's your plans? If you're watching me for the first time, say hi, where are you from, right, guys, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions. All right, so yesterday we planned a shot from here, all right, with a fake out on upper side. Okay, Bitcoin went down and will went broke below the support. Right now Bitcoin, what it have to do is, if it is a real breakout on the downside, it just need to do one retest on upper side. Okay, one retest on upper side, and it needs to again fall back a little bit downside. Okay, so this will be the short plan. All right, so most probably from the upper side, once it goes up and get clears below, then you might like to see one short scalping on a downside. That can be seen over here. All right, for me. Okay, nothing financial advice. Okay, if it happens to go up and clears below downside, which means that the thing is cleared for the breakout is real for the downside. Small retest is left on a downside yet. All right, okay. So this is what I feel. If the market happens to move without structure, then we can't do anything over there. All right, in fact, it should be giving you all the small structures in this levels. All right, guys, if you happen to see on 1 hour time frame, this is the level whereby the Bitcoin have broken on a downside. Okay, small breakout, one retest passed. Okay, it have been doing it again, second retest. All right, so below this level will be a total good shots for you all. All right, most probably planning below this levels. All right, so that can be a good shots for you all. All right, on a downside. Okay, so this is what I feel. All right, so before it goes for the shots, I must feel that I might what I feel is it needs to do a small retest from the top side, break it down once more. All right, do the retest, and coming down towards the downside will be a confident shot for me to going towards the downside. Okay, so this is in my plan right now. Okay, so most probably coming down a little bit. All right, in this zone. Okay, so most probably coming down a little bit, closing below this candles, right? So market have broken on a downside. Okay, but it needs to do the retest before it goes towards the downside. All right, it needs to close below these levels, right? Market might like to come below these levels. Okay, firstly, and can be an upper side retest from the top. All right, fake out the top once, okay, and again plan for the downside. Okay, so that can be one short position for you all as well, one risky one from the top. The confident one is going to come from these levels for me. All right, so I'll be waiting for these positions. All right, one shot. Okay. So let's try to go into the depth inside what's happening around, right? So in this level, market tries to break down from this level. At the same time, market is breaking out on a upper side. Okay, so broke out on upper side, one retest is left on upper side as well. All right, so it might like to do the retest, all right, from this levels or this level. Let's see which side it does first. One, right? So most probably what I feel is it needs to go down and close below this level, so whereby the shots will be invited and market goes up, bash all the shots, and later on it might like to come down. This is on my plan right now. All right. So let's try to see in a small time frame as well. All right, so market tries to break down below these levels. All right, so again market going up and getting rejections. Okay, getting rejection and coming below, getting rejection. Where is that? This is on 5 minutes. Okay, guys, this is on Bitcoin. Guys, don't get confused. All right. Going up, do the small fake out for the people, right? And coming down to this level. All right, from here again fake out, try to invite the buyers, sellers from here. Okay, goes up and take out all the uh, sellers and try to plan the long one. Again, trying to remove this buyers can be seen in these levels for me. All right, right now. Okay, so in this level it have broken down on the downside already. All right, broken down, retest is being done. All right, so most probably in this level I will be looking for the short positions for a small time frame. All right, if it happens to clear below this level. Okay, if it comes below this level. Okay, so I'll try to plan for one shot in this level. All right, till this level. Okay, and most probably from there I would like to go on upper side once more. Okay, in fact you can't plan your shots from the top. All right, it needs to come down below and closes below, then only the shot can be planned. All right, so most probably this is the thing that you might like to see in these levels right now. Okay, so then I'm expecting something like this for now. And in fact, again, at the same time, market have broken out from this level. All right, on the upper side. Okay, so it must be giving you all one rejection from this level, and I'll be trying to plan one long position from here from the downside and move on upper side. Okay, try to fake out the longs like yesterday, at the same time doing the retest. Okay. So this will be my plans for now. So let's see together. This is not a fixed plan. All right, it may changes with structural change, right? So okay, so this is my plan for now, guys. All right, so far so clear. Those who are watching me for the first time, say hi and where are you from. All right, if you have any questions or doubts, okay, nothing financial advice, but whatever I have experienced, I try to explain you all. All right, okay. I try to explain you all so that you guys get some informations over there. All right, okay. So far so clear, guys. Hope you guys are not getting confused again. All right, so if you guys are getting confused, I'm sorry for that one. All right, okay, so most probably I'll be trying to trace this one. I'll try to plan one shots from the top again like yesterday. All right, okay, something like yesterday only. My plans are something like yesterday, but if it happens to uh, change the structure, then I might like to change my plans as well. All right, guys. Okay. So on a downside, at least 75,000. I think it should be okay. So this will be my plans for tonight. All right. Let's see what the Wednesday does. All right. It always try to reverse the prices as well on the Wednesday. Okay. Midnight. We never can guarantee what is going to happen in the market, right? Okay. For now, I will be looking forward something like this, plan like this. Okay. So firstly, small breakout is downside. Okay. One breakout is given, one retest is given. Okay. If it happens to give the second retest, that will be a lovely one. All right. And mhm, mhm. If it happens to fall directly from these levels, my stop loss should be very big, guys. Okay, a little bit bigger. All right. If I am trying to catch these scalpings on the downside, okay, we'll make sure that it passes this downside moves. Okay, if it clears these levels on a downside, it will be a beautiful shot for us, especially right. So let's see, anyways. One breakout, one retest is being done. Okay, so this is on our plan right now. Okay, guys. This is on 5 minutes. Firstly, trying to focus over here. It tried to break out below these levels, guys. Okay, on a 5 minutes time frame. One retest is being done. All right, went for the retest. Okay, one retest, second retest. This is the third one. I think it should be able to break down towards the downside for now. Okay, at least till this levels, it should be on a downside. Okay, 0.25% on the downside. Okay, so far. This can be one scalping. Make your own research before you move in. All right, guys, so that you guys are not bashed off. Okay, try to break it down from the support. Keep breaking down this support, so it will be easier for us next time. All right. Hey, yesterday your prediction was superb. What was the usual? I'm not gained that much as usual. Trader W6 says, all right. Okay, I told you, right? So market, before it needs to move down, it needs to go up and try to get a retest from the top. Similar like today, we are also expecting similar pattern like today. All right, but it is not sure that every day it will become same, right? So from the certain level, it should be coming down on the downside, right? So yesterday we are trading in this levels, right? W6, right? In this level, right? So when the prices have reached in this level, there was a position whereby you can take one shot or upper side. Okay. So what I told you, just wait for the confirmation. If you're waiting for the confirmation, try to plan one shot from the top or wait in this below, right? So boom on the downside. All right. So that was super right, guys. Okay, guys. Let's see over here what it happens, right? If it happens to close below, we can trade one scalpings on a downside in this downside move. All right. Let's try to go on a 1 minute time frame, so we try to get exact moves what's happening in these levels. All right, market broke down. Okay, came for the retest. Okay, went up again, one retest is done. Okay, so third time. Mm-hmm. Is it a wow, what a quick move on the downside. All right, that's scalping, guys, so just be careful. All right, it misses one third move from the top, but it's okay. Third retest from the top. Actually, I think this, if we plan directly from here without the retest from the top, at least we need to have stop losses a little bit bigger on the upper side, because market have right now the third retest is left from the top, whereby market can go up in this level and get rejection and come down to this level. All right. If you're planning from this level, your stop loss is going to be a little bit bigger. All right. Okay. In this level, most probably, because market needs to go once more on the upper side get tested from the top and come down. If you're planning from here, maybe small fund and a big stop losses can be can be good one. All right, small size and big stop losses. All right. Why? Because market need to have one retest from the top that is missing. All right, I told you with this one, right? So this, let me mark this one retest from the top, right? Okay. Need to retest it from the top and come down. So we wait for this position to come in. All right, if you're holding for a confident trade, let the price to come down in this level once more. All right, then you can react. If you wanted to take risks, you can take risks from this level as well. All right, once it goes up and closes below this levels. Okay, guys, nothing financial advice. I'll make your own research before you move in. All right, so this is the thing you might like to see. First, we are not entering while this can be a risky one. If you're waiting for the confident, you can wait from here to do the scalping. All right, over here it will be a little bit risky. In fact, if it happens to pass up, break out an upper side. Okay, you need to observe very carefully. All right, if you're waiting for the confident one, you can plant below this levels. Once this level is okay, all right, once it gets below this level, that will be a good confident trade for you all. For the scalpers, this is only for the scalpers, a lot, not a very long holding, right? Let's see whether it gets rejection from here or not. Oh, that can be very big on upper side. Okay, we never know. If it happens to get one good rejection from the top, that can be one shot from here as well. A little bit risky, okay, over here, because that might be a retest coming from the top, then you will be entering over there. If you're planning from this level, it will be a confident one. All right, so that it would have got a rejection from top and trying to close below this levels is going to be a confident setups for you all on shots. All right, on upper side also, I'm not looking for upper side right now. It might like to give you all a retest. Okay, people might like to get freaked out also, but that is a possible on upper side as well. We can't say anything. All right, please suggest me something so I can wait in my trade. My buy price 77,350. 77,350. Are you holding for the long trades? All right, are you planning for the long? If you are looking for the scalping, I would be looking from this level only, but not a financial advice. Okay, once the price happens to come down to this level, I will be looking forward for one scalping sessions. Okay, on upper side from here. Okay, and might like to get short from the top. All right, so anything can happen. Okay, it is trying to form inverted head and shoulder patterns over here in this level. All right, inverted head and shoulder pattern. Let's try to check on 15 minutes. Yeah. One gap is left on upper side as well. All right, we never know that that might be a gap fill up on upper side. Okay, if it happens to never come down on a downside. All right, if the shots are getting bashed over here, it might be going to fill up this gap on the top. All right, if you are looking for the long holding, hey Lakshmi, good evening. Hi 77,350. 77,000. Oh, my price was 77,300 and out at 77,500. Out at, please suggest me something so that I can wait in my trade. Price was upper side 77,350. You mean on the 77,350? Oh, you're holding on the short. You're holding on the short out at 77,500. Are you holding on a short? I'm confused. WS W6. All right. I'm confused with you whether you're planning on the shots or planning. you can tell me a detail. All right, so it might be helpful for me, all right, to help you understand. So one level moving an upper side can be projected on this level, all right. Got a rejection from the top right now. Still the retest is incomplete from the top. Patience, guys, patience, patience. All right. Price try to break out on upper side. Okay, this is the third level of retest it is doing. All right. From certain level, it needs to come down. All right. We are tracing that one. All right. If it happens to pass up and fall below this one, I'm going to open one short position in this level. All right. And try to come on a downside. Okay. But for the confident, if it happens to close, come down from here only, this will be my entry. All right. There is a difference. Okay. This is the retest that is being done. All right. That can be a good retest breakout as well. Retest can be a breakout or liquidity or anything. All right, just be careful. That's my yesterday straight. W6. Oh, you opened a short from 77,500. 77,000. Maybe you can book some profits, right, and move your SL to entry and just let it flow, right? If you're holding for longs, right? Nothing financial advice, but in fact, right, nothing financial advice over there. Okay. तुमसे मिलना बात करना बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. What's your target? Maybe 74? 74, right? 73 or 73 or 74? What's your target? I'm also looking forward, right, on a downside, but it needs to do some retest from the top and again, right, some pullbacks. But we make sure that the pullback's not getting failed, right? So we need to keep watching that one. Okay. Oh my God. So this zone I don't like at all. Without reason, it keeps pumping on upper side. So this is the level whereby I told you all. Now previously it used to give you all on the New York session, but these days it gives you on the this sessions right now. Okay. From 9 to almost 10:30, right? UTC. It tries to give you all the random moves up or down. Okay. I don't like these levels right now. Previously, it used to happen in New York sessions, but these days it happens a little bit earlier, right? If you are moving in one direction, it just tries to close, do another directions. Let's see. Okay. If it happens to reject from there only, I'll be waiting for the price to open one short position from here. All right. If it happens to pass through on the upper side, I'll wait for this level. All right. Simple. Don't get confused. Huh? If the price happens to break above these levels on upper side, I'll be waiting for my short from this level. All right. If it gets rejection from here only, okay, and passes below this level, my shorts will be activated. All right. One, two, three. Okay, let's go. Let's go, BD. Let's go. No shitty, no shitty. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right. If you are trading with me, manage your own risks. Don't. I'm not a financial advisor, certified financial advisor. All right. Showing you whatever I know. All right. So whatever I understand, try to manage your own sizes. Okay. I don't know your sizes. Right. I don't know your font sizes. This is what I mean. All right. Okay. So that's the thing. Just wait. Have patience. All right. You need to have a little bit patience. Let's see, guys. Okay, patience, guys, patience. Okay, observe over here. Either it passes on upper side or downside. All right. If it passes directly downside, I can open one short position from here. All right. But if it happens to go up, I'll wait for my short position in this level over here. All right. Don't get confused what I mean. All right. The price that is flowing right now, if it happens to pass above this level, right, can do small retest as well. All right. Okay. So if it once it comes down and downside, I can open a shot. Or if you are waiting for the confident trade, just wait below these levels and just short it when it goes down, right? Simple. Okay. So more tougher the try if you try to make that uh, trade more tougher, it is like more aggressive, right? You can see more aggressive. Let's see what it does. Will it come to fill up the niche's gap or not? Patience, guys. Patience, patience, patience. All right. Patience, patience. Broke out on downside. Patience, 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 patience. If you're waiting for the confident, you can get below these levels, right? Hope everyone's doing good, huh, guys? All right. Everyone's doing good. If you are trading too much, that's not good. All right. Try to have manage your own risks, right? And try to do minimum trade as possible in the day, right? And if it happens to give you out a good profits, well and good. If it's not giving you profits, just close the trade and sleep. All right. Later on, we'll be trying to go in this level. All right. Let's see. La 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 La, la, la. Please check gold, sir. All right, Lakshmi. Okay. Lakshmi Biju. All right. Now I can place one trade over here once it happens to come down below. All right. After it comes down, all right, can place one trade and move on the downside. Just a second, okay, Lakshmi. I'm checking it for your gold. Na, 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 na. Sabo, sasso, 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 sasso. Wow, gold got a good crash on the downside. Right, gold got a good crash on the downside. Where have we been? Uh, 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 uh. Gold lovers. Do you see? Small. I told you on a yesterday. I think yesterday Biju we were something else, somewhere else in this level, I guess. Okay. So in this level, I told you only the small scalping can be taken on upper side in this level or where I don't remember perfectly. All right. I think this level or this level on a small pullback, only small trade can be taken on upper side, which was very risky, right? It was looking very dangerous, right? And it was targeting on a downside. Market was aggressively planning on a downside yesterday. All right. It was looking good for the downside only. Okay. Gold, gold, gold. Samdinile chopiko. It broke down below these levels, below the support as well. Biju, Biju broke down from this major support that gold had. Gold is crashing so badly, guys. Let's try to have small price action on 1 hour time frame, right? So we were here, right? We were from here, whereby I told you all to plan charts from here, wherever it is. I just don't remember now. All right. Market tried to. Now it went back and broke down below this one, getting out from the box. All right. Deuraliko Chotarima Sandinile Akachupiku. Third pullback is left. All right. Small pullback, you will be getting it from this level or a little bit drop. I don't know. But you are getting about to get one pullback whereby price was price was breaking down from this level. Retest was done, small retest whereby yesterday we were in this one, I guess, most probably, right? This zone or this one, I don't remember now. In this one or this level maybe, right? So so it tried to break down towards the downside, okay, which was aggressive downside, big down move. All right. If it happens to get a rejection from here, a small retest this can be expected, right? And towards the downside once more. This can be also expected in a gold. But in fact, if the retest gets failed in this level, all right, and if it happens to pass above this level, small long cap position can be expected on upper side on a 1 hour time frame. Okay, 15 minutes, it looks very aggressive towards the downside right now. You cannot plan. How should we plan in this levels? Shorts are long. Because if you are planning, you should have planned from this levels, right? A little bit late, Biju, for now. On the gold, can't trade gold, not right. Yeah, it's not possible to trade right now. Okay, short for the longs, you are too risky. Okay, for the shorts, you have missed the chance from the top. All right, so chance is going to be there. All right, don't don't panic. All right, so let's try to have small price action in this level. Okay, if it happens to break below this levels again, you will be getting one scalping on the downside again, one more move. Okay, but very risky. You are at right at the bottom. One, two, three. One move is expected on the downside yet. Oh, gold was dropping, and but you can take only small risks over here. Biju, it's very risky right now. Okay, let's try to go on a smaller time frame. Let's see. Okay, so price tries to break out on upper side. All right, got a picked out. Okay, on the upper side, and it is pumped. Small scalping can be taken on the downside, but very risky, Biju. In this level, it is very risky. All right, I feel very risky. One, two. Small breakout was given an upper side yet. Okay, one small breakout was given an upper side. Okay, but on the retest, it got the failed. All right, it got failed and got a big dump on the downside. All right, big dump on the downside. So most probably it is again attacking you all on the downside. One more liquidity drop, whereby lots of stop losses will be taken for the longs. All right, on the downside. It's like W6 as says, something like that. You won't be able to trade in this level. But if you are taking the one scalping, so risky scalping on a downside, this can be one move for you all. All right, on a downside. Okay, very risky. You need to have very small stop losses and can take this trade on a downside. Okay, one scalping on a downside, that may be expected. Okay, very small move, because that you don't have any ranges nearby on a downside. It is not able to give you all the informations well. Like you don't have any supports in this levels right now. All right, planning on a longs, you don't have any supports in this level right now. Okay, if it was having supports, then it's well and good. All right, so maybe like a liquidity drop can be downside a little bit. Okay, then very risky, but short as well. If you are planning from the top, it will be a good one. All right, for you to hold a little bit as well. So planning on a short, it will be uh, at the rock bottom. It should be very quick, and you don't have any edge on this side. All right, it was very far. Okay, it's very open in this levels. You see, nothing is over there. So it's very difficult to trade in the zone right now. Okay, Biju, so far so how much percentage you do in a month? uh, Rub, Ruby Devi. Sometimes it happens to be like 10 to 15% as well. It depends usually. It depends. Okay, it depends. It usually depends. Sometimes it's going to be a good one as well. All right. Sometimes it gets very low. Sometimes even a losses also 1 to 2%. Losses doesn't goes maximum from the 5%, but profit ranges, sometimes it becomes very big when the when I get a setup, good setup again and again, right? So it keeps me pushing on upper side. So I don't take more than 5% losses in a month. All right. This is what I do. Hi, hello. Thank you for your support. All right. It's very risky actually, Lakshmi Biju. It's getting very risky. Okay. Right now it haven't closed below, right? Market didn't close below over here. We are trying to plan one shots on a downside. Okay, once it comes back to this level. What market did? Market tried to break out on upper side right now. Okay, I don't know that is fake out or breakout. Small breakout was given, the retest was done, and which is proving that this is a good breakout on upper side. There's a fake out. You are getting a good position on downside. Why market is doing shitty things? Wait on patience, guys. Patience. Patience, patience, patience. Market broke out on upper side. Okay. One retest done, second retest done, third retest you are at. Okay. Upper side plants. Upper side. It broke out on upper side, but I can't do right now on upper side yet. Very difficult for me to do on upper side. Can't do anything on upper side yet. One retest is left on our upper side as well. For confident, what we do, we always wait at the bottom. Okay. So if you are planning below this levels on a downside, okay. But in fact, if you are, we are taking risks from the top. All right. One risk from the top. So let's try to take one risk from the top. All right. So that can be quick stop losses or quick SL. All right. One retest is left on the upper side yet. Okay. One retest is left to go on upper side and touch this levels and come back, but we are taking risks in this level because it's coming down to our zone from the top. All right, it's breaking below, which means the retest. So it broke out on upper side. Okay, it tried to retest and it got returned from this level. All right, so we are planning one shot from there. Okay, that can be very risky right now. All right, if you are waiting for confident, more it goes down, breaks out or towards downside, more confident it gets, but at the same time, the lesser the profit you'll be taking in. All right, lesser the profit you'll be taking in. Let's see. Okay, so we'll try to have one small stop losses and try to test this one. All right, on a downside move. One short scalping on a BTC right now on the downside. Hey, David, hello, welcome, brothers, welcome. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, guys, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions. All right, that can be either a retest or could it be our reach actions. All right, we are taking risks from the top right now. One small retest is left from the top, but we'll try to fulfill that one later on if the market doesn't fulfill right now. Okay, we'll try to fulfill later on. Nothing much to worry about it. TP1 book over here. All right, rest you can hold till this level as well. All right, TP1 you can book over here, move your SL to entry, because if it doesn't breaks below this one, then again the price has chances to. This is the support that you have. All right, your support, right? Either it should break below this one or goes up and try to. All right, so far, sir, please check US3. Oh, US30. I don't trade that one, David, so sorry for you. Right, anyways, okay, you try to learn it once. All right, once it learns, if you learn it well, then it will be very nice, right? Lovely, guys. Soup up, boom. Right, we took a rex always comes with a reward, right, guys? So Okay, so once it goes up, if it goes up on upper side, we'll try to open one long position from here once more. All right, guys, this level. All right, we'll try to open one long position from here. Okay, when you'll be opening your long positions while going down, we are not touching it, that one. While coming up, then I shall open one long position from here and try to go and up and try to retest the level that is left on the upper side. Okay, so that can be a little bit upper side as well. All right, we'll try to check that retest on upper side. Okay, from this level on upper side. So our target will be this one. All right. Book some profit, move your SL to entry and let it flow. All right, guys. Okay, book some profit, move your SL to entry and let it flow. This is scalping, so you should be very quick, right, guys? Okay, focus for taking sale, right? Good night, sir. All right, good night, Muslim. David, hi, everyone. Yes, if you are waiting for the confident one, focus on the sale only right now. All right. If you're looking for the not a scalping, right? So once it go up and retest it, once it comes back on the downside, we'll be waiting for a short position in this red level. All right. As soon as market reaches in this red level, then we try to short it and come down, boom, on the downside. All right, guys. So this is our plan right now. Lovely, guys. Superb. So far, so cool. Okay. So most probably in this zone, once it returns in upper side, I'll try to open one long position in upper side to get back the retest that is left on upper side. Okay, so it couldn't go very much upper side, right? So it left one retest. For big time frame, we focus taking order buy or big time frame. Yeah, but you need to wait. You need to wait for the confirmations and to finish to complete the levels of sales. Sales have not got over right now. Okay, so I think you need to complete the sales first, then only the buys is going to come. Book some profit, move your SL to entry. All right. This is scalping, so you should be very quick. All right, keep moving your SL at entry and let it flow. All right, so that you don't have to worry about anything, right? Oh, for this buy, oh, for this buy, we'll let it price to go wherever it goes, right? So while coming up, if it happens to cross above this level, immediately we'll try to plan one long position and try to go up. All right, that is my plan. So maybe it will give it or not, I don't know. But most probably, if it happens to come over here, I will be taking it. Planning a long position from here, I will be getting a small scalping only. All right, so my stop loss will be very big, right? So I don't want to plan any longs in this between, right? So I'm taking this levels in the consideration. It have tried to break out on upper side. One retest is being done. So second retest, okay, if it happens to do the again one more retest, then I will try to buy one position from here. This levels, all right, most probably, okay. But if the market happens to return from here only, I won't buy it, all right. So trade becomes invalid, right? My position, long positions become invalid. So far, so good, guys. All right. Hope that was helpful for you all to understand the market. All right. Understand the market first and try to trade it so you won't get bashed off, right? So without understanding the market, if you try to trade, it's risky sometimes. Okay. Have a small reason to buy it or sell it, right? So after that, if you get bashed off, what to do? Market wants to bash you off. Guys, right? We make sure it's not breaking up on upper side again. This block, or especially from the halfway. Okay, let's wait for this one. It shouldn't break out on upper side. Okay, so stop loss you can move till over here as well if you have big fears, panic sellers, right? If you can't hold it very big amount above this red block, right? Red things, so that so maybe around a little bit on the positive side, right? Maybe around this much, maybe. If you're a panic seller, all right, book some profit, move your SL to entry and wait. Okay, if you are not a panic seller. Patience, guys, patience, patience, patience. All right. So reason why we opened the short position from here is, okay, so market firstly tried to break out on upper side. Okay, it did the one retest. On the third retest, second retest, what the market did was, right, it went up and picked out the longs and tried to push the market towards the downside. All right, so that's why reason. So we knew that this was a fake out on upper side and we tried to place one short position from here on the downside. Okay, which means so market had a both side breakout on a downside as well, on upper side as well, right? So it had a breakout on upper side as well and a downside, so it was retesting on the both side. Okay, so it was retesting, while the retesting on the upper side, okay, market tried to turn it down. All right, so at least when he's planning from here, at least we know that at least we get these positions, all right, till this level. Okay, so while giving a wink on a downside, at least this much can be filled, so I try to give you TP1 over here. All right, okay. Understandable, guys? Understandable, right? Hope that's not confusing you all. Guys, don't get confused, huh? All right. Let it play around a bit. Okay, it broke out on the downside from this rate level. Okay, so it is retesting right now. All right, so while this, like yesterday, what I've told you all, it can go up to this small levels on upper side. Okay, play around in the zone, and later on it needs to clear down below this levels, right? And that will be a good move on a downside. All right. So far so clear, guys. Lovely, guys, lovely. So far so good. So superb. Your trading app name, sir, please. I'm trading on Binance and Bybit. If you need a link, there is a link in the description box. You can use my referral code. You might like to get some bonuses also over. Yeah, I have a direct partnership with them, right? So it is advantage for me also. I get some fee rebates on my trading account, right? So that's advantage for me as well. At the same time, you can use it, right? So far, so good. Let me have some. Ew, spoiled one. Patience, guys, patience. Those who are holding patience, all right. Those who are waiting for long position, patience, all right. You'll get lots of opportunity in the market. Don't worry at all. Ew, it's all spoiled. It will try to retest in this level, okay, guys? Maximum it can go for the retest is this level. It can go on upper side as well, all right, and try to drop you down. All right, no problem. It can go up to this yellow line. After passing the yellow line, we cannot hold on the shots. All right, it will be risky. All right, everything is spoiled. It's better. Price can play around in the zone, no problem. Patience, guys, patience, 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 patience. So we have kept breaking out on upper side, okay? So next time we move on upper side, it will have small retest on only in this level. Price tries to move up directly, okay? So it's easier for us to go on upper side later on. All right, price have kept breaking out on upper side. The small retests have been done. All right, price tried to fake out the longs over here. So this is why I wasn't planning any longs in this level. Plus my stop loss was getting big and my targets were so small. If it happens to move up on a long from here, it is the only target 0.17%, which I don't want to go on a long side. Okay, so I decided myself to plan on a shorter side. Okay, guys. Okay, those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, alright, guys, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday session. Every day I come on a live stream, right? Saturday and Sunday also, but Saturday gets a little bit bored, but this is it's like a little bit better. Almost 2 to 3 weeks, the market have been moving on the Saturday and Sunday as well, right? Nothing much like a sideways, right? Otherwise, it used to get lots of sideways and it get bored on the weekends, right, guys? Because we get no volume, no trades at all. No volume, no trades. Okay. So what I told you guys, okay, we can plan short from here, 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 anywhere, right? It's just about the level of confidence and level of risks that you are taking in for the shots. All right. Okay. From here, high risks but high rewards. All right. Risks always comes with a reward. Nothing financial advice, but it is the fact, right? Risks always comes with the rewards, right? I'm also with you all, okay? I have my open positions on the downside right now on this scalping. धीरे धीरे से मेरी जिंदगी में आना धीरे धीरे से मेरे दिल को चुराना हम वही शाम वही तेरे बिना ओ सनम नींद नहीं चैन नहीं तेरे बिना ओ सनम patience guys patience all right you need to have patience everything all right in the market for the market maximum it can move is this levels okay for the fake outs but we will be waiting while downside okay later on towards the evening all right maybe like maybe 1 to 2 hours later while planning for the shots all right we will waiting for the price to go up and come down this level or that can be till this level as well we'll be waiting in this zone all right to open a shot and downside once it clears below all right I'm going to open one short position and try to come to 75,000 zones all right towards the downside okay धीरे धीरे से मेरे जिंदगी में आना धीरे धीरे से मेरे दिल को चुराना शाम वही patience guys patience 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 all right lovely that's super that's not bad at all we keep clearing on a downside all right breaking down below this levels okay so next time while going up on upper side it will be easier to come us on a downside okay so we have already broken down on a downside okay so later on if we have keep retesting this level all right later on coming on from the up it will be confident for me to go on a downside because this have already retested on downside is just getting you fake out on a downside those who are planning shots from here they might get squeezed in these levels right and short position will be given in this level and market tries to move up to retest from the top all right that time all the shots will be taken out right and later on if it keeps retesting on a downside okay so this is what I mean right so this there is a support market tries to keep breaking it downside okay and if he happens to keep retesting this level okay so later on while coming up from the up it will be easier for us to hold so that if it happens to just keep a small breakout towards downside still a good positions to on a downside right so it will be easier for me to hold it on a downside okay while planning from the top all right swing trade is possible yeah it is but most probably we are not holding very big ride so I'll just call it intraday or scalping maybe quick one all right so yesterday also we have been doing something else right like this only okay so we are planning one shot over here okay but we didn't do any longs over here all right I was having one positions but I let it go all right I let it go because like I was already getting so many trades all right and I was waiting for confident one from the top I need to save some energy to analyze from the top, guys. Okay, it's not good to take more than when you're winning, not more than three, right? At least can plan for the three at least, right? No problem. More than if you're winning more than three, why to take so many trades? The share swing trade levels. So what you can do is, but I don't know if it doesn't works, if the structure doesn't forms that way. I don't know, because like for me, I can do the some analysis over there, but if I'm gone, then you may not be able to uh, do the trades, right? So what you can do is, once this level gets passed down, okay, if it doesn't pass down, it will be difficult for us to plan the trades, okay, below this one. At least we can, for the shots, if you are planning from the top, at least you can target till this level, okay. But if we keep breaking below these levels, all right, the rate levels that I have, all right, later on we come up from the top, your TP can be lower side also, no problem, all right, below this level, okay, so huge, all right. But we should keep breaking below these levels for the longs, okay. For the longs, once it goes down on downside and tries to break out on upper side from this level, okay, you might like to get one long position, one risky one, all right, you are tracing just the retest, all right, and your target should be 76,196, 76,198 dollars, right? And upper side you can skip it, all right, guys. For the shots, you can skip it above because it is going to be very risky above this level. Okay, you can skip 0.29%. You just wait for the price to fall below these levels, okay, and can plan one short position on downside, okay, and you can at least target 75,100 to 200 range on the downside. All right, nothing financial advice now, guys. Make your own research before you move in. All right, guys. My timing, this is my timing for 5:53 right now. I usually try to come around 4:30 to 5 on 5:20 p.m. Okay, so I usually come on a 5 p.m. This is my country zone timing. All right, so if you are thinking about the UTC, 11 UTC, usually 10:30 to 11 UTC, I try to come and I try to spend some time with you all. All right, okay, guys. And after I spend time with you all, again, I need to work out for my VIP peoples, right? I need to make videos for them, okay, images, all those things, chart analysis, and assign them in a VIP group. My VIP group is just $20 for a month, all right? You are getting a signals with the video explanations, right, over there, okay? $20 per month, one single trade, get back the fees, and try to trade. Take around 15 to 20 trades in a month and try to maybe a good one for you, right? It's up to you, right? I don't want to force you all right, but I try to give you all the nothing like throwing you the signals in the group and throwing you like that, all right. I try to explain them why I'm selling over there, why is a potential move, why you need to sell over there, why you need to buy over there, okay, so that it is easier for them, all right, to take the trades, all right. If you are interested, you can message me on the Telegram or WhatsApp, all right. I don't take much people, all right, on the VIP also, very minimum, all right. If you are interested, I might like to take 2 to 3 extra, right? Nothing much more than that. You can message me up, okay, on Telegram or WhatsApp. It's just $20, guys, just single trade fees. That's also with a request, okay. So one of my friend requested and I tried to create one VIP for him, all right. And I thought that why don't other also take same chances, right, to trade with me, right? It's up to them. It's up to you all, guys, okay. You can message me, only 2 to 3 people I can take it extra, all right. I don't like very huge things, right? I can't, I need to concentrate that them, right? I need to give my timing sometimes, right? It's nothing like throwing you in a group and trying to explain you all, trying to give you all the rubbish signals. Whatever I take, I give you all, okay. That's the thing. Bhutan buy, Trump says Iran surrender or USA win, then this war closed. Okay, तो ऐप स्पॉट लॉन्ग करेंगे इसका खुशी के नाम में एक लॉन्ग हो जाए, एक लॉन्ग हो जाए भाईजान, लॉन्ग करेंगे एक खुशी के बात में है राइट, पर थोड़ा थोड़ा नीचे गिरना दो राइट, थोड़ा ऊपर जाएंगे या तक 0.65% का एक स्कैल्पिंग ले लेंगे ऊपर साइड राइट, अपर साइड. So far so cool, right guys? TP1 already hit it, TP1, TP2 waiting for, all right, this is not important right now. धीरे धीरे से मेरे जिंदगी में आना, धीरे धीरे से मेरे दिल को चुराना, शाम वही शाम वही तेरे बिना सनम, नींद नहीं चैन नहीं तेरे बिना सनम. Patience, patience, patience. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit a subscribe button, alright guys, okay, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming, right? At least you can get some over here few. Okay, nothing financial advice, and make your own research guys, don't blame me, alright? When they make profits, they're very happy. When they make a small losses, right, 0.01 percentage losses, 0.1 percentage losses, and they screaming, oh, this is too bad. It's all about the stop losses and TPs, guys. You should understand. The day you understand that losses are also the part of your game, then you become a real trader. Come on, okay? There are lots of small things you need to take consideration in trading. All right, only getting setups not enough, guys. You should understand the market. You should be able to understand your. You should be able to like explain yourself, your mind, your body, everyone. Right? You are a trader. Come on, you should prove it yourself. How you are a trader? Thank you very much. Hey, what free speech? All right. Welcome, brother. Welcome, welcome. Okay. What free speech? XRP. No XRP, what free speech? XRP. I remember you. I remember you, what free speech from so long. Keep booking some profit, all right, and move your SL to entry and let it flow, all right, guys? Okay, not that's not very bad scalping for you all right, but try to get a small profits. मेरी जिंदगी में आना, मेरी जिंदगी में आना, हर कम So far, so cool, guys. Mhm. Luca, hi Luca. I had a friend called Luckily. Now you are Luca, right? Okay, Luca, how are you doing, Luca? Actually, where are you from, Luca? I just forgot to ask you. Where are you from? Where do you belong from? Luca, hi, hi, brother. Welcome, welcome. Welcome, guys. Welcome, everyone, to the Wednesday sessions, right? Wednesday, either there should be a continuation drop or should be a reversal. All right. Wednesday is a reversal day or a continuation day. All right. So tonight, midnight only, you'll be able to know a big drop or a big pump. All right. Most probably, I think for the drop down only. All right. So I'm still holding one position from the top. You know, guys, yesterday, if you guys were with me, I have already given you all the informations that market I'm planning for the shots in this levels. All right. Yesterday, all right. So we were in this zone, I guess, most probably in this levels or where it is, right? Wherever it is. So on a 15 minutes time frame, right? Yeah. So when I was closing my trade, like live stream, we were over here, all right. Last move was given, and from here, I planned my short position from this levels and all the way towards boom. When I wake up in the morning, price was floating around and downside. Those who are wanted to join my group, there is a link in the description box, free Telegram group. You can join over there as well. All right. I don't give much over there, but sometimes when the informations are very cool, right, I try to share with you all over there, right? So far, so good, guys. Was that amazing short scalpings with you all? Hi, good morning, Logman. Did you make some profits? Superb, guys. तेरी मेरी तेरी मेरी कहानी तेरी मेरी Logo man, how are you, brother? तेरी मेरी तेरी मेरी कहानी नींद हुई शाम हुई तेरे बिना ओ सनम नींद नहीं चांद नहीं mm, 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 mm. Even if you make a single penny in a day, that's fine. All right, for the beginners, okay? Even if you are able to make a single penny in a day, even if you make losses, that's fine, okay? For the beginners, all right? But don't try to liquidate your account. You understand me what I mean to say? If you liquidate, then how you will trade from next time? Getting a single loss is not a problem, all right? Getting a profit is not a problem, but don't try to, while trading, don't try to get liquidated, which means try to accept your losses, right, guys? Okay, guys, try to accept your losses. You should be able to understand your losses are the part of your game. Aidisan, Mondol, Mondol, Mondol G. Mondol means it's a leader of the village, right? Aidisan Mondol. Does it right? Is it right? Is the leader of the village, right? Is the leader of the village. Am I right? Lovely guys, superb. Superb guys, those have taken. All right. Well and good. Congratulations. All right. Now it's time for the long ones. Just maybe soon the longs can be coming in. All right. So for the longs, we just wait for the price to move up above these levels, then we can go for the longs. All TPs heated, right? I'm booking my profits. Lovely, my profits was booked. All right. Okay. It's for me to plan for the longs, right? Should I wait a bit? Small bit, wait. All right, let it closes above this. Let it close above this. All right. धीरे धीरे से मेरी जिंदगी में आना. Keep your heated, guys. All right, congratulations, all those who have taken it. All right, nothing financial advice. If you have made profits, well and good. All right, keep your heated. Boom, boom, boom. Let it come up. I could make some dollars. Okay, that's good. शाम वही नींद वही तेरे बिना ओ सनम नींद नहीं चैन नहीं तेरे बिना ओ सनम धीरे धीरे से मेरी जिंदगी में आना. नींद नहीं चैन नहीं तेरे बिना ओ सनम. Shaky, 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 shake. Let it fake out. Not yet, huh? Looks like it's loading a pump to above 76K. Luca, observer, any, hi, hello, welcome guys, yeah, 76.2. I'm checking for, looking for. All right, okay. तेरे बिना. It needs to come into this place, guys. All right, it needs to come to this place. Aggressive breakouts towards the downside. Small retest done. We just on a downside only right now. मेरा मन क्यों झुक जाए ये बंधन tat, 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 tat. Should we? मेरा मन क्यों झुक जाए ये बंधन Wait on guys, let the price goes up on the upper side. Okay, then only you will be able to activate. It will be riskier below this level to activate your long positions. All right, should pass above this level, then it will be confident for you all to go for the longs, right? ये बंधन. Yo, I'm from Morocco, by the way. All right, good to know that, Luca. Luca, good to know that. Luca, Luca. Luca, move it. Still moving on the downside. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. What you think, guys? Big dump or pump from here? Let's see what the New York sessions does. Still moving on a downside. Wait down, guys. Wait. All right. Have patience. Let the price move out on upper side, then only it will become confident. Once, something like this. Downside, it can move anyways, down till the bottom also, right? But we are not taking care of the downside. We are taking care on the upper side. All right. Hi, hi. Addition Mandal. Mandal, कैसे हो Mandal? Leader of the village. I belong here with large SL. It's up to you. It's always risks below here. All right. But it can go any way in the downside. Okay. Any levels it can trace it towards downside. All right. But if it happens to move on upper side, then well and good. All right. What if it never returns, Luca? Just a second, okay. I'll the washroom and come back. Wow, what a lovely guys. Soup up. Crazy guys. Soup up, soup up, soup up. Crazy, crazy guys. Crazy. Luca, you got it right. Crazy guys. Crazy, crazy. Soup up. Crazy, crazy, crazy guys. Crazy, crazy, crazy. All right. Soup up. Boom. Long for here, large cell. All right. Probability, yeah. You're playing a probability game, huh? Lovely guys, superb, superb, superb. So from the top, it can go up to this level, this level, this level. Confident one will be going up and coming down below. All right, and big targets towards the downside. All right. So if you have taken it for the scalping, you should be very fast. I don't know if you have trust it or not. Right. Can't tell you all to buy from here also, but it's always risky. all right. So is it crazy, guys? Crazy scalping? Crazy? Crazy, crazy, crazy. Pop, pop, guys, super, super. Some dollars or dragon, guys. Super, guys. Super, super, super. If I ever get banned on my live streaming, you always come on my Telegram, guys. I'll try to do something else in the Telegram channels. All right. Up crazy. That's crazy, guys. Okay, TP nearly done. Some profit, move your SL to entry and let it flow, guys. Okay, nearly TP done. All right, guys. Send it to my VIP as well. I've already sent them the signals. In the morning itself, I have planned these things. All right. It's not that I plan it here in the random. Plan it already. This moves. All right. That was a superb, guys. Anyways, crazy move, book profits. Right. It got us down from here only, right? It happens to come down directly. Right. Those scalpings are, guys, nearly done. All right. TPs, all TPs was nearly done. It comes directly down, gets below, short below these levels. It never happens to close below these levels. I'll still hold it. All right. Two plans for me. If it happens to directly come below these levels, I'll directly go with the shots. If it happens to go up again and retest, I will wait for the shots from the top. All right. Two positions for me for the shots. All right. As soon as it goes on upper side, while going on upper side, I can't plan the shots. All right. While returning it back, I can plan the shots. All right. Hope that's clear for you all. $70 booked, bro. Wow. Crazy. Crazy, 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 crazy. That's super, brother. So, still a hope, right, guys? Still hope on upper side. Because it have left incomplete structure on upper side right now. Retests have not done properly. All right, the retest is left gap in these levels, right? Fill up that one. All right. Second chance, maybe for you all, but the risky one, right? मेरा मन यूं झुक जाए ये what you think the price will do from here? Will it move down or up? Guys, what you think? Retest is still left incomplete by the market right now. Okay, but let's see if it happens to drops below these levels. One gap left for the retest. Second chance if it happens to pass above these levels on the upper side. But in fact, if it breaks you out, that can be a risky one. Breaks you out, that risky one. Second chance for you all. Anyways, guys, hope you guys are having helpful sessions, guys. Okay, hope that is helpful for you all. All right. Hope I'm not trying to confuse you all. Hope so, all right, guys. Okay. Some may have got opportunities, some may have missed, but don't get foremost, right, guys? Opportunity is always going to be there in the market, all right? Don't run into foremost, all right, guys? I don't want you all to run into foremost, okay? So for the shots, confident want, confident want. Later on, when the market drops below these levels, one this is one position for me. If the market happens to push up on the upper side, I'll wait for the shots from the top, all right, and try to trace on the downside moves. Okay, if it happens to directly come down, it may not be very good shots on the downside, all right, but if the retest is completed from the top, then that can be a very good retest, good shots on a downside, all right, maybe a good crash on a downside also can be expected, all right. I think we get 1 hour candle close above 76.1 seat. It's okay. It's okay. Better focus only buy setups, I guess. It's okay. So why we are what we are doing is not a problem. So while if you have planned like this, right, while going on upper side, if you plan directly short from here, right, okay, it will be a problem. But after retest again, it comes back and breaks below the supports, then I don't hold it, right? I will hold it for the shots, right? No problems. Okay. Yo, Spider-Man. Kunal, where have you been? It's been so long that I haven't seen you. All right. It's been so long, Kunal. It's been a long day without you, my friend. Everybody busy in life, bro. Oh, Kunal. Tau shift. There's a one left position on upper side on the longs, but a little bit risky. Manage your own risks. All right. I don't know. All right. But if you have trace from the down, well and good, still you can be after moving your SL at entry. It can be a good position on upper side, but this can be a risky. Okay. Manage your own risks. All right. Okay, guys. Manage your own risks. This can be on a downside as well as on upper side. Okay. From here, whichever side it breaks out, that it might like to give that one. All right. Can be on upper side. From this is right at the middle right now. The price is right at the middle of this. Okay. So that can be an upper side as well as on downside. Okay. So but why we are seeing for the upper side is just the thing is the retest is left on upper side. For that reason only, upper side can be one good positions for you all right. So if you are going for the longs or shorts, you just need to manage your own risks. Okay, in this level, if you're planning from the downside, it would be a better right for you to at least move your SL to entry and hold it on upper side after booking one TP in this levels, right? Okay, so this level it can move on a downside as well as on upper side, whichever side the market moves, right? The New York session gives, all right, whichever side the New York session gives, it can be that sessions, all right. मेरा मन तेरा जन the risky trade, it will be risky, the longs. Okay, from here manage your own risks. All right. Adisan Mondol, hi brother, hi. We have strong 75,600 sub 75,666. Let's see how far the price can move. Broke out on upper side, right? Given a small fake out on upper side, came down, broke down on downside. Okay. So bearish, it's giving a signal for the bearish as well. All right. It's not totally on the bullish, but bearish are also getting the signals. Now, if it happens to move up and closes above this level, this can be a little bit risk-free, confident trade on upper side. Okay. If it happens to go on upper side and closes above and holds above, all right, that can be one good long for you all again. All right. But in fact, if it's not able to move up on the upper side from here, that's not a good long. All right. So far, so good, guys. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, guys, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions. Right, every day I come on a live stream with you all and try to sit with you all and trade with you all. All right, so So far, so cool, right? Faked out. All right, let's see. Swap. One candle swapped. मेरा मन क्यों झुक जाए ये बंधन Those who are interested for my VIP group, you are welcome. All right, you can message me on Telegram or WhatsApp me. Say hi. I want to join a VIP group for $20 per month with the video explanations and setups. All right, signals. Let's see. It didn't close right now on the upper side. One more time. Get rejection from the down and move up and breaks out on upper side. It couldn't close above right now. Okay, let's see. Open buying. Price can do anything. All right. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. This is the point whereby you have the average, all right, average on the bullish or the bearish in this line, all right, for the small time frame. Okay. So far so good, guys. Patience. Couldn't close up. Bro, do you have other source of income other than trading? Yeah, I do, brother. I do have. Kunal, I do have. But I think no one can beat the trading, right? No one can beat the trading. हैप्पी बर्थडे सर, क्या आप सोलाना के लिए बता सकते हो? सोलाना. The gold, those were looking very aggressively. Small scalping was given right in this level. It did it and pumped on upper side, right? 0.4% was given for the Biju, right? I think that was a Biju who was looking for the gold, right? Exactly, he did the entry, went back, and Solana, Solana स्पॉट में है क्या आपका? कौन से वाला यूस? सोल, सोल यूएसडी. सोलो ना, सोलो ना, कुछ बोलो ना, सोलो ना, कुछ बोलो ना. लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए देख रहे हो कि स्कैल्पिंग कर रहे हो? Are you looking for the long term or are you scalping? Like really confused about what career I'm gonna choose or get. Firstly, study, brother Kunal. Finish your studies, right? And at the same time, don't forget your career as well, right? At the same time, you keep building your things, right? Your skills, multi skills, right? Even your skill, even your career is not there, you should be sustainable, maybe, right? I'm not a financial, like not an advisor, but yeah, but that's what you can do, right? Yeah. Solana, Solana have small breakout on upper side. It is retesting in this level. Okay. You're looking for long term or like scalping, brother? Sir शायद या दूसरा है. Long time. Happy birthday, sir शायद या दूसरा है. शायद. शायद means who? A name called शायद नहीं है हम यार. शायद. शायद नहीं है हम. लग रहा है एक बार फिर गिरेगा ये सोलाना. I think it will fall once more towards the downside. थोड़ा गिरना पड़ेगा इसको. ये नीचे से ब्रेकआउट हो गया. थोड़ा ब्रेकआउट बट क्लोज अप कर नहीं पा रहा है ये क्लोज अप नहीं कर पा रहा है फॉर द बेयरिश. सोलाना क्लोज अप कर नहीं पा रहा है. आप लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए देख रहे हो कि छोटा टाइम के लिए देख रहे हो भाई? ये बता देना मेरे को. लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए देख रहे हो कि छोटा टाइम के लिए देख रहे हो? बस साइडवेज बन रहा है यार ये सोलाना तो. ट्रेंड अच्छा नहीं है. पूरा साइडवेज में बैठा हुआ है यार ये। देखो, इधर से ब्रेकआउट करने की कोशिश किया है ऊपर। एक ब्रेकआउट दे दिया ये जोन से। प्री टेस्ट में फेल हो गया। बायर स्ट्रैप कर लिया, ड्रॉप कर दिया। ठीक है, तो इसका नीचे आ गया तो ये तो सपोर्ट जोन है सोलाना के लिए। इसका नीचे गिर गया तो ये थोड़ा नीचे नीचे गिर सकता है इस 80.13 तक। I only know about trading quite a bit, but not still in that invested money that I can run my family. Oh, because like for trading, Kunal, you cannot totally depend on trading as well, all right? Because you try to be aggressive on the trading, all right? If you are totally depending on the trading, you try to unlock, all right? You try to aggressively look for the positions, then you try to lose the money, all right? So that is the boring part of the trading, all right? You have to have other source as well, which is confident to push you for the basic things, all right? And freely you can do the trading, right? Otherwise, if you try to focus without knowing, without money earning a penny, then if you try to focus on trading, then again it will be difficult, all right? Oh, brother, are you looking for the long term or short term? एक बंदा था सोलोना के लिए देख रहा था, कहाँ गया ये? ओह, हैप्पी बर्थडे। उसका रेंज 84 के पास चाह रहा है। लॉन्ग टर्म, ओके ओके, लॉन्ग टर्म। लॉन्ग टर्म लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए देख रहे हैं तो सोलाना अच्छा ही है, पर एट द सेम टाइम एक रिटेस्ट देख के ये ऊपर से निकला हुआ है। डेली टाइम फ्रेम में देख रहे हूँ अभी। तो अभी के लिए ये थोड़ा गिर सकता है इधर से। हाँ, इधर से थोड़ा गिर के ऊपर जा सकता है लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए। ये देख रहा है डेली टाइम फ्रेम में, इसमें थोड़ा गिर कितना सकता है, एटलीस्ट 79 का रेंज देख रहा है। वो नथिंग फाइनेंशियल एडवाइस, हाँ फाइनेंशियल एडवाइस नहीं है, हाँ वो समझ लेना, ठीक है? Oh, it's nothing a financial advice, all right? Small chances of getting lower side, all right? And going on upper side is very likely on Solana as well, all right? Okay. So at the same time, Solana have been playing in the zone while, okay? So make sure that if you're looking for the long term, you are not breaking below 79, 80,000 का नीचे आपका stop losses होना चाहिए। ये range में I think it's good one, all right? अब कॉन्फिडेंट हो जाएगा आप, जब कॉन्फिडेंट हो जाएगा इसका ऊपर चला गया तो 85 का ऊपर चला गया तो कॉन्फिडेंट बाई जोन है। तो लेवल ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इसका ऊपर ही है सिर्फ। तो जो लॉन्ग इन्वेस्टर होता है इसका नीचे नहीं इन्वेस्ट करता, ये लोग सेफ जगह में इन्वेस्ट करता है, ठीक है? तो इधर से ही एटलीस्ट वो लोग इधर तक, पहला एडवांटेज है ये लोग का। हाँ, पहला एडवांटेज है। तो जब नीचे जाएगा ये इन्वेस्ट नहीं करेगा आदमी लोग, जब ऊपर जाएगा इस टाइम में इन्वेस्ट कर लेता है, तो ऊपर ऐसे जा सकते हैं, ठीक है? पर नीचे में ध्यान मत दो, सिर्फ ऊपर में ध्यान दो जब वो लेवल ऑफ इंटरेस्ट में आ जाएगा, ठीक है? उससे आपको मोमेंटम अच्छा मिल जाएगा यार। I only trust you as a genuine trader who is really making living with trading and not selling course. I am not selling course, Kunal, but sometimes I do see what happens in this levels, risky trade. So, but what I do is sometimes I take the mentorship as well, so, all right, with the request from them, all right, and sometimes I happens to take mentorships, all right, which is like uh, at the same time people are very genuine, Okay, it's nothing about the money as well, but at the same time, when we are when we happen to give the mentorship, all right, it is like what to say now, it is like we are wasting our time. All right, so there should be a small fees, right? Small fees, not very big, which cannot the learners can take in. All right, small fees can be taken, maybe 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, whatever, right? Taking a 200, 300, $1,000 is not a good thing. All right, okay. So this risky trade have failed right now, okay, because it tried to close below this levels. All right, so this risky trade is failing right now, okay. So my short positions will come once it clears below this levels. All right, otherwise I won't be able to short it. Okay, let it clears below. All right, and confirm the retest, then boom on a downside. All right, so selling course is not an issue, Kunal. The thing is, some people, if they are selling a wrong courses, then that is a big issues, I feel. All right, selling course is not an issue at all. Okay. Because there is a, for a full-time trader, they get so much bored sometimes. I understand that. Okay, they get so much of bored, and they happen to spend their time just focusing on their trading field only. All right, inside the trading field only. All right, so trading field, whatever they know, they try to spend time on that thing. Some people are doing for money, some people are doing for shocks, some people are doing for help. We never knows their motives, right? Okay. Hi, Devender Lion. All right, I only trust you. All right, thank you, your advice. All right, yeah, Kunal, it's good to focus on your focus on uh your career first. Okay, then only try to look for the side hustles, right? And that will be better one. Okay, because at least you are not trying to uh you are trying to learn it anyways. All right, so why you want to waste your school's time? All right, lots of lots of things you have learned on your career, your subjects, right? You have to make use of those things also. Your investment, all our investment. People say schools is nothing. Schools is also something else, right? Because without school, how you learn the trading, right? Right. The education, small bits matters, right? Small bits matters a lot. Okay. Without school, how the people will trade? They won't understand anything. They need to read it, write it, right? All those things. Devinder Lion, hi, long time back, brother. Welcome, brother. Long time back. Again, chances of going on upper side. Okay. So if it happens to close below this one, this is going to be bearish. All right. This point is very important, guys. Later on, this is the bearish point whereby the market can go up boom on a downside. All right. Okay. So if it happens to move on upper side, it still has a positions for the long side because it have never completed the retest. It should be done. All right. You still have a chance of going on upper side. Okay. There is a still chances we should be going on a upper side. All right, guys, so far so cool. For the shots, all right. For the shots, I'll be waiting for the price to move on upper side and get rejection from top. Okay, closest below this one, this levels, I will try to plan for more shots. All right. Okay, so I'm inside the box whereby I'm trying to break out the upper side as well as trying to trap the long ones, right? So what the long ones will do is they will see this one as a breakout on upper side, but this was never a breakout. This was the retest that is being done for the downside moves. All right. They will see this one as a breakout. All right. This was never a breakout. They will be waiting for the position to move on upper side from here. After breakout, they will place their long position from here, right, in this level. They will be trying to place one long position from here, all right, rather than price going on upper side and we're expecting this things, it will just crash you down and that will liquidate the longs one. Uh, try to liquidate the longs one. All right, in this level. Okay. For now, still good right now. Above this level is still good. All right, for the longs. Okay. So a little bit change. All right. We can see a little bit change on the patterns from yesterday's to today's. All right. So yesterday we planned from here only on upper side, but today the market crashed down towards the downside. Hope the New York sessions have not opened. All right. Okay. So far so cool. All right. Devendra 75,200. Yeah, that is for sure. But most probably if it was, so what you can learn from this setup is if the market directly moves down, it may not be very a long down towards the downside. All right, guys. Okay. So because it have left the one structural gap on upper side. All right. It may try to move certain levels, but it may not move all the way towards downside. Okay. So any time price will come for the retest on the upper side. Okay, retest for the upper side. If it happens to fail the retest on the upper side, it may like to go for the longs as well. We never knows that one. All right, so market is so you can understand that way. Okay, guys, so far so cool. Okay, 15 minutes, 15 minutes. Yeah, I have been holding on the downside. All right, for the BTC. Okay, from the top right now on my another exchange. All right, that was on Bybit, right? Was that on Bybit? So this was the setup that I've shared on the general group as well in the Telegram. Okay, this was the levels whereby I've shared the people about the setups on the general group as well. All right. I have given them the setup like this, but I don't know they have operated or not. So I'm holding from this levels towards the downside. Okay, still holding. All right. Okay, crashing down. Wednesday. Be careful. All right. Anyways, guys, that's all for today. All right, we'll come back tomorrow and try to see what's happening around. Right, we'll try to focus. Okay, so two setups done. One was a not confident one, right? And I told you that is not very confident. All right, and one at least three, right? One TP was almost heated, right? It gave a small target. All right, and another thing is the price happens to fall down. All right, two setups done, one on a short, one on a long. All right, now price crashed from here only, got a rejections because of this 4 hours resistance zone. All right, okay, so let's see what will happen. Right, we'll come back and continue from tomorrow. Right, guys. Okay, in case for now, most probably in this levels I'll be trying to see the shots from the top. One thing is, okay, if it gives me the confirmation from here, I might like to take that one as well, but less confident I will be directly taking down from here. All right, why? Because the retest that has to be done from the top is not very complete. All right, so for that reason I won't be very confident to take shots from these levels right now. All right, guys. Okay, have a good time. Take care, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow. Right, those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Right, guys, we come back tomorrow and try to analyze the market. What will happen, we never knows. Right, guys. Okay, and just catch me, right, guys? So I'll be in the same time. Okay, if you are winning, just close trade and sleep. All right, if you are losing, just close the trade and sleep. All right, if you are looking for the trades, right, take one or two trades and just close it. All right, don't take more than two at maximum. Right, if you can take only one, that's well and good. All right, but if you have been taking more trades, that means more risks incoming. Right, okay, so that's all for today. Have a good time, Devendra. All right. Okay, have a good time. We have been scalping, and this is over. Signing off, Dragon. Okay, see you all tomorrow. Lovely brothers and sisters. Love you all.